Hello, everyone. Today I am gone. Now, share with you some simple English sentences that can help you talk about yourself in English. At the beginning, I know nothing in English. Every time when I heard English, it sounded like this. Chomsky, Chomsky, Chomsky. And then I decided to learn English. So I'm going to share with you my journey of learning English. Maybe you can find some tips for yourself. Okay, let's start. The first sentence is, I started by watching TV every day. Let me ask you, how did you start learning English? What was your first step? Well, I started watching TV. It's so easy to start watching TV. You can watch whenever you want, wherever you are. You just need a TV or a computer. And there are so many programs, series, movies, videos in English on YouTube. For example, I love watching sitcoms. My favorite show is called Friends. This is a classic American sitcom. I also watch other shows like Modern Family, How I Met Your Mother. Of course, when I started watching TV, I didn't understand much, but as time went by, I understood more and more, and I learned many new words. Next one, I was going to the library once a week to get English short stories. At that time, there weren't so many books in English in our city. There were only a few books in English, so we had to order them from other cities. It would take a long time to get the books. Sometimes we had to wait for months. However, I was really motivated to read English books. I was going to the library once a week. The librarian knew me well. Every time when I came to the library, she gave me a book. She said, "You come here every Saturday. Take this book. Next week, I'll give you another one." These books helped me improve my reading skills and expand my vocabulary. The next one, I made friends to have conversations. As we all know, conversation is very important. If you want to speak English, you have to practice. But where can we find native speakers to talk to? Actually, I think we can find many opportunities to practice English. First, we can talk to our friends, classmates, or coworkers. If they speak English, we can meet people on social media. For example, we can join Facebook groups to practice English. In these groups, people create rooms for conversations. You can find people who want to chat with you. There are so many ways to practice speaking English. All of us can find a partner for conversations. And the last one, I was practicing English speaking at home. When I was practicing speaking, I was talking to myself. Sometimes my family members asked, "What are you doing?" "Why are you talking to yourself?" I said, "I'm practicing English speaking." They said, "It's weird to talk to yourself. Talk to us." So I talked to my family members in English. I think it's better if you talk to someone. If not, you can record yourself while speaking. This method helps you remember what you have said and discover your mistakes. Today, we talked about 4 simple sentences. Let me repeat them. I started by watching TV every day. I was going to the library once a week to get English short stories. I made friends to have conversations. I was practicing English speaking at home. Now I'm going to tell you my secret of learning English with fun. If you want to learn English fast, you must enjoy the process. How can we make learning English more fun? First, we can use different methods of learning. If you feel bored with reading books, try watching movies or listening to music. If you spend all your time on conversations, you will be tired of speaking. Try writing an essay or journal. Different activities train different skills. If you want to improve your listening skills, listen to English songs, podcasts, TV shows. If you want to improve your speaking skills, have conversations, record yourself while speaking. If you want to improve your reading skills, read short stories, newspapers, blogs. And if you want to improve your writing skills, write emails, journals, essays. Try to use all the methods. Make learning English more colorful. Second, find what you are interested in. For example, if you love cooking, try following recipes in English, looking up new dishes online. If you love sports, follow sports news, watch games. If you love fashion, look up new fashion trends, watch fashion shows. There are so many interesting things in the world. Find them and enjoy learning English. Third, learn new vocabulary with stories. For example, when I was learning new words, I used to create a story with that word. One wish I had known this method earlier. It makes learning new words so easy and fun. Let me give you an example. Let's say we have a new word, butterfly. Okay, imagine a beautiful garden with big trees, fresh air, colorful flowers. Suddenly you see something flying between the flowers. What is it? Of course, it's a butterfly. A butterfly is a small insect with large wings. It has 2 pairs of wings and a slender body. Some butterflies are very colorful. They fly from flower to flower, sipping sweet nectar. I hope you enjoyed the story. And now you will remember the meaning of the word butterfly. If you want to learn new words easily and quickly, you can check out these 2 videos. And the last advice, don't give up. No matter how busy you are, you can always find time for learning. If you want to learn English, you can do it. Believe in yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.